Rehabilitation and recovery are essential processes aimed at helping individuals regain physical, mental, and emotional well-being after facing challenges such as injuries, illnesses, addiction, or mental health issues. Rehabilitation involves a structured and personalized approach to restoring an individual's functionality and independence. It often includes medical, physical, or occupational therapy, depending on the specific needs of the person. For example, after a physical injury, rehabilitation may focus on exercises and treatments to rebuild strength, mobility, and coordination. In mental health, rehabilitation can involve therapy and counseling to improve coping skills and daily functioning. Recovery, on the other hand, is a broader concept that encompasses the journey towards overall well-being. It is not limited to physical health, but includes mental and emotional aspects as well. Recovery is often associated with addiction and mental health challenges, where individuals strive to regain control over their lives and find a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It involves self-discovery, building a support network, and making positive lifestyle changes. Both rehabilitation and recovery are highly individualized processes, with the goal of enhancing one's quality of life. They emphasize empowerment and resilience, helping people regain their sense of self-worth and confidence. It's important to recognize that these processes may take time and effort, but they offer hope and a path towards a better future. In summary, rehabilitation focuses on restoring specific functions or abilities, while recovery is a holistic journey towards overall well-being. Together, they play a crucial role in helping individuals overcome life's challenges and lead fulfilling lives.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.